Hi everyone, this is our latest offering. It's a 2016 Optare Metro City and it's a V1080, which means it's a 10.8 metre long Metro City, and it's also 2.5 metres wide, and it's a 38 seater with tachograph and seat belts. Makes it a very, very useful dual purpose vehicle. School, some local private hire, jump on service, bit of rail, just about anything you can think of. So this one has been fully repanelled and repainted, and it's come from a very good local operator called Lloyd's Coaches. If this is a Mercedes version, there's the Mercedes engine. 4-cylinder OM422, a very good engine, like in most Solos. Would have been in the old Mercedes Vario. Very, very good engine, very reliable, very economical. As you can see, very straight vehicle. As we go inside, this was on Traws Cymru services, so cross Wales. So it's done a fair mileage, 524,000 miles. Sorry, 526,000 miles. There's the tachograph there, and also the Mobitec destination. But that destination also works TV screen, so you can put the information on the screen, next stop announcements, that sort of thing. So it's quite a high-tech one. It's a lovely interior. This is a Traws Cymru interior. They would have had Traws Cymru written on here. What we've done is we've retrimmed the tops because the rest of the seats are in really good condition, so complete waste of time retrimming them. And we've also given it a full valet and fitted seat belts. As you can see, it's really clean and very useful dual purpose vehicle that can do service, rail, schools, baths, and a bit of local private hire. Thank you.